How's it going, everyone? I'm Keita. Today I introduce salted pudding. Why is that special? Because of salt. This salt is made in Itoshima town, all of handmade. Almost all people visit here after oyster house. Please check this rich salted pudding. Let's check it out.
I visited Mataichi Salt Maker. This salt factory is located in a cave and it's surrounded by rich nature. I was so surprised. The car parking is full, even though here is only salt factory. After parking a car, walk in along the path. And you can see the signboard. Wow, suddenly appear the buildings and lots of people here. Finally, I got in my destination for the pudding. This is what I was looking for. After putting salt and caramel sauce. Okay, let's have a taste. いただきます。So rich taste. It's perfect balance of saltiness and sweetness. おいしい。Of course, the secret of the amazing taste is this salt. They make it still by traditional way. Pump up sea water and circulate through the bamboo for 10 days. After boiling for 3 days, it can be seen crystal of salt. What a peaceful place! If you wanna try it, it's better to come here earlier, because it might be sold out.
How was the salted pudding? It was so amazing. This salt factory is hidden place, and then it is date spot for young people. I put the information in the description below. Please find out. See you in another video. Bye.